A little short fabric tip Friday. Was doing this and was thinking about it. I thought I'd do a little video to emphasize on before paint job. I was just prepping this for a top coat. This has been on a few years, so I sanded it. And number one, when you think something is clean, you run your hand across it really lightly, and if you can feel stuff under your fingertips, it's not clean. I have sometimes opened 3 separate new tack rags. They're not that expensive, and just keep tack ragging. And I was wanting to show this. I have done cleaned this, I've done wiped it down, and I've run a couple tack rags over it. But in a lot of situations where we've sanded stuff, we like using this. When you put it on, it brings the little particles that are worked down into the surface. When you put your paint on, those solvents will bring those back out of the surface, and you may see them. Just to show you that normally in the past, way back in the past, I would have said, I'm going to paint with this. Be careful if you're putting this on a humid, damp day. I would probably not even paint that day, because this, even though it's dry, can be down in the surface and have a moisture situation. You really want stuff really dry. But just to show you, when you think you have something really clean, I'm going to hit this, and I had cleaned it with just a damp paper towel and tack rag. I come back and hit it with that foam, and this is not a hard wipe down. That should tell you something right there. See that yellow? If you're still getting color, and you can't hardly see that, we do that with our primer, which is a light beige, and you can't hardly see that. When you still see stuff coming out, that's telling you that you wasn't clean to start with. Once you do this and it dries, the little things that you feel are particles of paper towel. Once they dry, then those will tack rag off. So it's all about the cleanliness.